Hi, my name is Melissa.
And my name is Rachael.
Today we'll share some important information on the nervous system.
The nervous system coordinates its actions by transmitting signals to and from different parts of the body.
The nervous system detects environmental changes that impact the body, then works in tandem with the endocrine system to respond to such events.
The nervous system receives and sends out electrical messages throughout our bodies.
The nervous system includes our brain, spinal cord, and nervous system.
The spinal cord has two main functions. The spinal cord connects a large part of the outer nervous system to the brain. The nerve impulses reach the spinal cord through sensory neurons or transmit up into the brain.
The brain assembles the messages in a way that has meaning for us and store information in our memory. The brain controls our thoughts, memories, speech, movement of the arms and legs, and the function of many organs within our body. The central nervous system, CNS, composed of the brain and spinal cord.
The nervous system are the networks of nerve cells and fibers which transmit nerve impulse between parts of the body.
Neurons send signals to other cells through thin fibers called axons.
The peripheral nervous system is one of two components that make up the nervous system of bilateral animals, with the other part being the central nervous system. The PNS consists of the nerves and ganglia outside of the brain and spinal cord.
The central nervous system, also known as CNS, the central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord.
This is a picture of an amazing spinal cord.
This is a picture of the nerves. And this is a picture of the brain.
Bye.
Bye.